We'll take just a couple minutes to go over next year's proposed school calendar and kind of tell you how it's different from this year's calendar and some of the things that we added or took away from it. So the first thing that I want you to notice is the very beginning of school is the exact same as we had this year. We're starting the exact same week. New teachers start on August 2nd. Regular teachers come on Wednesday the 4th. We have 6 days of in-service before school starts. School starts again on a Thursday, so we have a shortened week. So it starts on Thursday the 12th. I have a 2-day week that week to ease kids and teachers back into it. How it's different from last year's is last year we got out this week, or this current year, 2021 year, we get out this week. We had to bump it back 1 week, so we'll be getting out a week later during the 2021-2022 school year. Part of the reason for that was we had to add a couple days, or we wanted to add a couple days in here, and I'll explain what these are. So we wanted to add 1 day each of the first 9 weeks for a half-day professional development and a half-day work day for teachers to provide time for them to work in their classrooms and get caught up on things. So the principals can take half the day for training staff on this day, and the rest will be for teachers. This January 4th day, that is simply a work day for teachers. We're not going to take that time from them. The October 26th and February 22nd dates, these are something that's new. The state is requiring all kinder through 3rd grade teachers to do what's called a reading academy. And I believe it's 60 hours of instruction that they have to go through. And we're wanting to provide some time within the school day for them to do that. So we've given them 2 days here. Now, that won't cover all the time that they're going to spend on that, but at least gives them some while they're on our time and not having to do it outside of school. So that's just for kinder and 3rd grade teachers. So the rest of the staffs, principals can do professional development, or they can give them time to work, catch up on grades and planning and things like that. The dark blue, those are state testing days next year. Like this is, I believe, high school EOC. You'll see some of the STAR testing days and EOC days here. Thanksgiving, the week of November 22nd through the 26th. Spring break's the 3rd week in March. Christmas will be a little bit different. We're actually getting out a day earlier. This year we went to school all 5 days. This next year's proposed calendar will be getting off that Friday, and we will be getting off that Monday, and staff will be coming back on Tuesday, and then kids start Wednesday. This year, staff came back on Monday, and then kids came Tuesday. A couple other things to point out. Bad weather days. We have 2 of them in the calendar. April 15th, which is Good Friday, and May 20th. We are planning on taking this day off. I know I have a bad weather day, but we would have to go through all of our bank days, so there's almost 5 days there, plus this one. We'll use this one first. That's almost 6 days we'd have to use for bad weather before we'd have to touch the Good Friday day. Even then, we would probably just add time to the school day, so we still have this day off. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions after you look over this or something I didn't explain, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks.